Hello everybody and welcome back to day 6 of our New York trip. Today isn't a super busy day, but we have got something really special planned. We are going in a helicopter over Manhattan and the Statue of Liberty, hopefully. So we're going to head over to Times Square. I think we're going to go to Liberty Bagels for some breakfast. Then we'll head back downtown and get the helicopter. And then from there we're just going to go with the flow, and I think we're going to get on the Staten Island ferry. So stick along and let's go. So we've just finished up at Liberty Bagels and it was a really nice breakfast, and now we're just walking past Madison Square Garden, which is there, and now we're going to head back and get to the helicopters. So we've just arrived at the piers at the south side of Manhattan, and we're going to go and find where we get onto the helicopter. So we're just inside and we're going to head out to the helicopter in about 2 minutes. Helicopter now, we're about to take off, but this is what it looks like. What an incredible experience that was. Absolutely incredible. If you're going to come to New York, definitely go in a helicopter. You see so much. We've just finished in the helicopter. It's definitely worth the money. If you ever come to New York, it's great. You see so much of Manhattan, Brooklyn, you know, New Jersey, the whole thing. So really great experience. And now we're going to head over to the Staten Island ferry and go past the Statue of Liberty. Just got off the Staten Island ferry and we're going to have a look around and see what's actually on Staten Island. So we've just got off the ferry and we've come to Empire Outlets, and it's like an outlet store, like kind of like Cheshire Oaks kind of thing, and I'm going to see if there's anything that's interesting to buy. So we're going to go into Levi's now and see if they've got anything. We've got a few purchases here. We're going to get something to eat, but before we do, I'm going to show you the view from Staten Island, and over there is Manhattan. If I zoom in, you can see the Manhattan skyline. So if you're ever in Staten Island, definitely pop down here. It's a really great place. So we just went into Lids and I just picked myself up a new cap. And now we're probably going to get some fast food and head back to the Staten Island ferry unless we find something else in Staten Island, but I think that's where we're going, so I shall see you in a bit. We just got back to the hotel. We were going to go up to Chelsea and get some food, but we really couldn't be bothered, so we're just going to get some local pizza and bring it back to the hotel. This is the food for tonight. Beautiful pepperoni pizza. So we've just had our pizza now. It was really great. It was from Joe's Pizza. I think it's pretty famous in New York. So we've eaten that and we're going to head to bed, and tomorrow is our final half-ish day in New York City. So it's been a great time. Hopefully you enjoyed the vlogs. There is a travel home day tomorrow, but I'll see you soon. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.